Oh my Ra, you're still here? Oh, you guys got the stomach of steel, good gosh. Well, okay, let's try number 62. Wait, let me try 64. Monkey? Oh, it's Donkey Kong Jr. Why you call it... Never, you know what, never mind. Kill myself. Yeah, the sound chips is too cheap. The Chinese is trying to be cute. Sorry, I was trying to impersonate an elephant. Okay, no, that was horrible. That sounds like a mice love cat. Yeah. Officer Johnson, ready for duty. Yeah. Hate this shit. Fuck. That's what you get, bitch. Yep, that's Mappy. Mice love cat. Yeah, mice love shit. Hey, Macros. Oh, never mind. It's from that anime. I have that on my 151. Golf, fuck that. Clue Land. What's that? Come on. Did I just die? Yes, I did. Go down. Go the fuck down. Go on. Piece of fuck it. Get on with it. Oh no, laddie. Hey, Devil's World never came out of the United States, sadly, 'cause it's Christian themed. Shine! Hongo shige, shine. Shine in your fucking cup. Go shit. What the fuck? Why does this keep happening? I was just playing this game, and I guess I bastard! hate this. Ooh, I gotta calm down. Before. Oh, no, no. I hate this shit. I really hate this shit. I swear, it's just glitch after glitch. Number 65. Squoo. Only came in Japan, I think. Yeah, and when you pause the game, the music still goes. This is when you play, and that's the music when you pause. And I'm dead. And I'm dead. Yeah, fuck. This is bullshit. Binary Land, or whatever it is. You could choose from Grillin and Mullen. So two frickin' penguins trying to get through this bloody maze. Oh shit. Hold on, little sweet. And they went to this cage so they can screw each other. Do it. Enough. Oh, cripes. Enough. Look at him just humping the air. What the fuck is it? Get the fuck up there. Yeah, go on, have intercourse, you fucking bestiality. No more. Oh, look at the time limit. Okay, I'm done. Mappy, Mice Love Cat, of course. Excite Bike, cool. And I crashed. Good. Kill yourself. Remember the episode of Happy Days when the Fonz had to jump over these hurdles and shit? Oh, I remember that episode. Oh wait, I was born in the 90s, so yeah, I was watching the reruns on Nick at Night, of course. Okay, okay, that's Excitebike, fuck it. Fine, Road Fighter it is. Get up! Going too fast. And die. Done. Done. I'm done. I'm freaking done with this. Nope. Gotta keep going. Pinball. Yep, and it doesn't say Nintendo on the bottom. The YouTube boys will have our ass. Boo hoo hoo. Motherfucker. Boo hoo. Just eat shit, da da da. Yeah, it's pinball. Next. Duck Hunt, can't play. Contra? Of course. Lunar Ball? What? I didn't do it. I didn't freaking do it. Where's the fucking piece of fucking game? I swear, where is it? Hang on, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just trying to find something real quick. Oh, Lunar Pool. Oh, no, not again. Okay, where it says Lunar Ball. Lunar Ball. Lunar Ball. Lunar Pool. Get it right, people. Damn it. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Damn it. I passed the 10-minute mark, I'm aware. Shut the F up. Ice Climber. Oh, no title screen there? Fuck. Yes, it's Ice Climber. Dang it, why do I keep pressing that dang button? Circus Shirley, Ray, Mother Brothers with Papa. What's this? Milk and Nuts. Nuts and Milk. Famicom only game. What the freak? And I died. You know what? Fuck it. This is a piece of frickin' trash. Glitchy mess. I'd rather play Action 52 than this frickin' piece of crap. Just, you know what? It's from a flea market, of course. $40 frickin' down the frickin' shitter. I swear to God. Don't buy this unless you're desperate. Unless you're desperate, go ahead and buy the game if you're desperate. You're better off. See, you're better off buying a Nintendo. You're better off to buy all these games, and you're a lot better enough to buy Retron 5. I mean, come on. Wasting $20, $30, $40 on a Super Joystick. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. So don't ever buy this piece of shit. Don't ever buy this piece of shit. Don't ever buy this piece of shit. But I'm a moron. I'm a stupid retard that I am. I have to do this for the review. Because I love you guys. Not in a gay way, so don't get your head out of the gutters, man. You know what? I'm done ranting about this crap. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. That's my video of the Super Joystick 2014, which is now 2016, the updated version. Lewis Ross, aka Lewis the Black Leo 23. Over and out. For new cutscenes, have a wonderful hump day. Peace out and see y'all later. Bitch, I hate this piece of crap.